miniskirt twirls in Carnaby Street, shiny shoes tapping to the beat, sunlight sparkling in her hair, every head turns when she's there. London hums a lively tune, sipping tea in mid-afternoon. Taxis honk and the city swirls, life lights up with fashion girls. Merry Quant girls lighting up the town, twist and shout, never wear a frown. Colors collide in the brightest hue, every street loves what they do. Merry Quant girls swinging in the night, mini skirts flashing in the city lights. Every heart matches London's beat, joy and laughter in every street. Policemen wave, but she's too quick, neon signs and a camera click. Posters gleam of mod gear dreams, London life bursting at the seams. Shop fronts shine with dazzling glow, record stores play the hits we know. On every corner with every swirl, life is brighter with a fashion girl. Merry Quant girls' laughter fills the air, bell-bottom boots and a swingin' flair, candy-colored hats and a cheeky grin. London's magic sparks from within. Merry Quant girls spinning down the street, dancing to music, moving to the beat. Shop windows show their style and twirl, brightening up the whole wide world. Tube trains rumble under city streets, beatnik cafes and record store beats. Mods and rockers dance in the square, London's alive, you can feel it there. Merry Quant girls skipping through the crowd, laughing loudly, standing proud. Every corner holds a brand new thrill, Merry Quant girls, you're magic still.
Welcome to the sound of the 60s.